hot honey chicken sandwich right over there for the YouTube channel. I'm gonna do it one time. I don't like hot stuff, but we here at Wendy's. Just letting y'all know. Ahead of time. Ahead of time. It's time on me, gang, 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 gang. What's good? I don't know, y'all. If y'all gonna hear me through the sound of this, but we here to try out this hot honey chicken. Oh yeah, you see that, baby? Woo! We here to try it, y'all. I might be a little bit too late, but hey, it's never too late to eat or try something out. Now, I heard a lot of reviews on this. This is my cheat day. My cheat day. I'm already eating my fries. This is just something real quick. I hope everybody's alright. Be safe out here. This is my tropical berry. This is my cheat day. But tonight I am drinking my water, so don't get that twisted. This is my dinner. I do want to have a little small clip of me just getting a pedicure. I hope that you enjoyed that little clip because it had a little message on it for all the men out there. All the men out there, you gotta learn to take care of yourself, man. I learned that as I got older. Not this age, but in my 20s, I learned that. Now, I'm finally in my 30s now. You know, I'm in the beginning of them. Oh. Learn to take care of yourself. Nothing wrong with that. So, I'm gonna roll the clip. See, fellas, it's good to take self-care of yourself. I said self-care because your feet needs to be taken care of. No matter how hard work you do, and everything else, you gotta take care of yourself. Your health, your heart, your mental, your body, and your feet. And I thank this lady for this. Thank the lady for that. Take care of yourself, fellas. There's nothing wrong. Even take your son to get your feet done. Very important, y'all. Get them done. Like I said, even take your sons to get that experience. You know, fathers out there all over the world, if you do, that's what's up. Keep doing it. But the fathers that not introduced to stuff like this, take care of yourself, especially your feet. I hope y'all enjoyed that clip. Really, I hope y'all enjoyed that clip because it's a real message for all the young men out there, especially grown men. There's nothing wrong getting a pedicure, taking care of yourself. Self-care, self-love is real needed. Mental health is really needed, man. All over the world, especially us black men. Learn to put the drugs down. Learn to put the guns down. Learn to realize this is what you want to do. Learn to put the violence away. Learn to take care of your teeth. See? Take care of your teeth. Take care of your hair. Take care of your hygiene. Take care of your feet. Your feet. Take care of your mental health. That's very important, young man. You know what I'm saying? Learn how to eat healthy. Find the right guidance. If the people that's not around you is for you, get away from them.
Those people is not meant for you. They trying to tear you down just like they going down. Because they don't want to see change out of you. And I'm telling you this as a grown man. Because I want to see you do it better than you used to do. Better than your own. Listen to the people that's trying to steer you right. You don't want to die or hurt yourself or harm yourself in those streets. And the wrong path is definitely not good for you. And I hope you take this in consideration because this is very, very important. Listen to me. I'm 32. I'm about to be 32, but I'm 31 right now. I'm still alive, living. And the thing is, I never gave up on myself, and that's another thing. If you have to be by yourself for a while, if you believe in God, on the spiritual side, pray. God will give you the answers you need to get you where you need to be. I'm telling you, trying to steer you the right way. You know, there's a little quick little video about this. I want y'all to do better for yourself. If you don't listen to anybody, please listen to this video so you can spread it out to other men, especially women. Spread this out to your boyfriend, spread this out to your dad, spread this out to your uncle. Yeah, you know what I mean, your nephew, your son, your best friend that's a male. Someone out there that's in the hood. I'm from the hood. I could tell you everything. But let's get to this video. Let's get to this video. Once again, this is the hot. I'm planting everything everywhere. But this is the hot honey chicken. This ain't the spicy chicken though. This is the regular chicken. But we're gonna try it right now. Ready, set, go. I heard this place is really, really, really good. This chicken. I heard it's really good. I'm gonna try it. 5, 4, 3, 2. See that bite? Nice crispy bite. This is real good. I'm at Wendy's, y'all. So, I hope that you enjoy this video. Like I said this before, Wendy's is one of my biggest places, fast food places ever. I love Wendy's. I grew up eating Wendy's. I ate other fast food restaurants, but when it comes to Wendy's, my top tier. After Wendy's, this is Popeyes. After Popeyes is Burger King. Then it's Checkers. So I go down the list. I like McDonald's, but I'm not a big fan of them. I ate it growing up, but only thing I like is certain stuff for the value menus. But I saw they made the McChicken Big Mac. If y'all seen that in certain videos, I will check it out and I might do a video on it. I like McChicken, so it's called a McChicken Big Mac. I see it in some places on YouTube. Like I said, I'm gonna check it out. This is not really bad though. You see the white meat, the honey, you got the chopped up grilled onion, and then you got the chicken, you got the sauce. This is really good, y'all. I say 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 with this one. 9 out of 10. But I hope that y'all enjoy this video. Be the recipe to your own masterpiece. Again, be the recipe to your own masterpiece. I hope and pray God be with y'all each and every day through this 2022 the best way we can. Keep your family safe. Pray for each and every one of y'all. I pray for each and every one of y'all. And please pray for everybody around your circles too. And keep y'all away from any hurt, harm, or danger. And watch out for people that's in your circle that's trying to pull you down and keep you on the same level as them. If they're not trying to elevate you or try to get you to somewhere you need to be in your life, they ain't for you, period. That's all I gotta say here. I'm gonna just be straight up out of my heart to heart. But I hope y'all enjoy this video. I will try down the road to make chicken Big Mac. I don't know how it tastes, but I like make chicken, so try it out. I hope and pray I have a wonderful evening and night or morning, whatever time you see this video, alright? Give it, you know what I mean, like, share, subscribe to the boy. Like, comment, share, subscribe to the boy. Until next time, we're signing out. It's gang. I love each and every one of y'all. Peace. As I take this last bite. Peace. Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. We back with another morning of the lesson, of the session, and we're going to talk about why women don't know a man